This Mathcast was created on December 1st, 2014. The intended audience is to teach a third grade classroom. The content. This Mathcast was created on December 1st, 2014. The intended audience is for a fifth grade classroom. The content objective is a factor versus a multiple, and it was created by Brendan Cooley. What is a factor? Factors are numbers that when multiplied together equal your given product. How do factors work? Factors multiply into the product evenly with no remainder. As you can see in this problem, in the first set, 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 6 is a factor of 12 because it divides evenly with the product of 2 remaining. Whereas down here in the second equation, 5 is not a factor of 12 because it does not divide evenly. The product has a decimal remaining. One important note is that certain combinations of numbers must be multiplied together to get the product. One important note is that certain combinations of numbers must be multiplied together to get the product. For example, if the product that we have is 6, then 1 times 6 equals 6, or 2 times 3 would equal 6, but 1 times 3 does not equal 6. You have to choose the right factor. Here is an example of the factors of 6. We have 1, 2, 3, and 6. There are 4 factors altogether of 6. We know this because there's no numbers between 2 and 3 left, so these are the only factors. And all factors are less than or equal to 6. 1, 6, 2, and 3 are all less than or equal to. So 1 times 6 equals 6, and 2 times 3 equals 6. So therefore, 1 and 6 are pairs to equal 6, and 2 and 3 are pairs to equal 6. One additional thing is that factors help introduce students to the commutative property as well. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So regardless of whatever order that you put the factor in, it will still equal the same product. Aside from factors, students may ask, what are multiples? Multiples are greater than or equal to the product. Multiples are also like a series of numbers that increase by the same amount until the product is reached. This example will show you students the multiples of 6. The first multiple of 6, 6 times 1, is 6. The second multiple, 6 times 2, is 12. The third multiple, 6 times 3, is 18. And the last multiple for the first 4 multiples, 6 times 4, is 24. These are the first 4 multiples of 6 because of the 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, and 6 times 4. There are many more additional multiples, but these are the first 4. Multiples and factors have a very special relationship. The difference between factors and multiples is that factors are numbers multiplied to get a product, while multiples are a series of products based off of the factors.